Joining me now, criminal defense attorney Mark Eiglarsh. Mark, good to have you with us today. I think a lot of people watched this and said, this is crazy. I mean, who puts their client in this position to go off like this? But you actually think that it might work to his favor. How?
I'll tell you why. Look, clearly he showed that he's a much better singer than he is an actor. He was horrible. I'm not buying it. You're probably not buying it. Most reasonable people aren't buying it. But he's not targeting reasonable people. He's targeting that one lone potential juror who may say, you know, someone that passionate, someone like that, I don't know. I don't think he might be guilty. He's looking for that because he's facing decades. And while he has a phenomenal lawyer in Stephen Greenberg, who I'm friendly with, he doesn't have David Copperfield on his team, and he can't make all this evidence disappear. Yeah,
I mean, he clearly, you know, she said she never felt threatened during the interview, and she was right next to him. But I mean, there are moments in that are very uncomfortable watching it, where you kind of think, you know, where is he going to lose it? Where's this guy going? And I think for a lot of people watching it, you think, well, what is this indicative of? What does it tell us about his character and you know, what he might have been like with some of these young women?
Yeah, when you're accused of crimes of violence like he is, you want to stay cool. You want to be mellow. But I don't think the jurors will likely ever see this video because he's not admitting anything. If anything, he wants the jurors to see this because he's professing his innocence passionately, and then that avoids him having to take the witness stand, which is what I'm sure his lawyers want to do in the criminal trial.
So in terms of when it gets to that point, does any of this, you know, move the trial to someplace else? I mean, obviously he's a Chicago person. So how's that going to work?
Look, they could potentially move to change venue. I don't think it's going to happen. That will only occur when it's clear that they can't get a fair jury in that town. This is everywhere. Wherever you go, most people would have heard either of this or saw the documentary. So the key is just finding enough jurors who can say, yeah, I've seen the stuff, but in spite of that, I can still be fair, or I've never seen it, which is, you know, really what rock have you been living under?
Well, as you say, he's talking to one juror because that's all you need to put some doubt into that case. Great point. Mark, good to see you. Thank you.
Thanks, Martha.